we are told to factorize this one here. This one is a quadratic expression, as you can see here, x squared plus 5x minus 6. Now let's begin. So before diving into this one, I would like to request you to first try this one by yourself, then post your answer in the comment section. Okay, now without wasting time, let's get started. We are given x squared plus 5x minus 6. Okay, now to factorize this one here, we are going to consider two things, the product and the sum. Now let's take this one as the sum and this one as the product. The coefficient of x, let a coefficient of x be the sum. Okay, so our sum in this case is what? Is 5, and then our product is what? Minus 6. Minus 6. Now we are going to think of two numbers. Whenever they are multiplied, you get negative 6. Whenever they are added, you get positive 5. What are those numbers? We are going to consider 6, 1. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, but here is negative 6. So here, can we make this one negative or this? Let's make this one negative, right? 6 multiplied by negative 1, that's negative 6. 6 plus negative 1 is like 6 minus 1, so it is positive 5. So actually these ones are the numbers. So here we are going to have x squared. Okay, these ones here are going to represent plus 5x, so we are going to have plus 6x minus what? Minus x. Okay, plus 6x minus x is what? 5x. So no need of writing this one because it is already represented by these numbers. Okay, minus 6. Now we have got 4 terms. We are going to put 2 in a group. Okay, 2 in a group. 2 in a group. Now we are going to take out the common one. Which one is common here? X, of course. So after taking x out, you will be left with what? X here. Okay, plus what? Plus 6. Okay, now minus, but which one is common here? 1, right? 1. X, this negative is going to affect the sign here. Negative multiplied by negative, that's positive 6. Now what you are going to consider here, you are going to consider this. If the two brackets are equal, it means your factorization has no problem. Since these ones are equal, your factorization is okay. Now we are just going to take this, then we pick one bracket, so we are going to have x minus 1, okay, and then what? Pick one, x plus 6, and we are done. That's how simple it is, guys. I hope it is clear to you. In case you have any problem regarding this, let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Thank you.